Hi guys! Today we are going to be making an egg carton, a caterpillar made out of an egg carton or a butterfly made out of an egg carton. And you may be wondering why I have two chairs here. Well, I have an assistant, Claire Bear, my cousin. Come on in, Claire Bear. Hello. All right, well, let's get started. Daddy, we need help cutting already. So, right now we're cutting the egg carton to get our body of the caterpillar and the butterfly.
Oh, this is good.
And so I have my caterpillar body, and it's 3 egg holders wide, and it's going to be laying down like this. And I have some buttons as eyes. So does she. She has a yellow eye and another yellow eye. And we also have some paint palettes. We also have some paint palettes if we want, just in case we want to mix our paints.
I have one too for the middle of the butterflies.
And now we can pour out some paint into our palette.
Yeah, this. And of course we're gonna start with
I'm making a color right now. It has these two colors mixed together right now. I don't know if you could see that, but and then I have my little mixer, and we're gonna start mixing that color together, and I'll show you the results whenever I'm done.
I'm still putting paint.
Claire, done. This is the finishing result paint color, and I'm very happy with it. Now I use my chubby chubkins. Oh, and I'm sorry it's been a long time since I posted a YouTube video, but because we just moved into a new house, and yeah.
I was literally with them when they moved in, so.
Yeah, she got to see the first bit of the house. Like she was in the,
the mixer. I think the mixer.
The mixer. The holy mixer is yours.
Do you want me to use the
And so then my green doesn't get mixed in with your lovely light blue. And pink. And pink. And pink. And pink.
Yes, pink.
I thought it was gonna be yellow. Yellow's the best color, as we all know.
No, it's not. It's just my favorite color.
Yeah, it's just my favorite color, and I can't make y'all like it.
Can you explain the wings?
Okay, this is one of the wings, and then here's the other. I'm just gonna put it right
For her butterfly.
that. I don't know if you can see, but I'm gonna put it like that. So.
And if you are making this craft, you probably will want to if your parents care about your table, you may want something like this on your table before you do it. If you're using acrylic paint and stuff, especially if your table's wood with these types of paint, because if you're not quick enough, it will dry and stain your table.
No, literally not.
Yes, I shall take that glorious, holy mixer.
Okay, Okay, you can stop. I'm going to start right now. Don't ask me why it's
And I have my caterpillar body is done. I am not gonna hesitate to do the bottom. I'm not doing the bottom. Time for the eyes. And definitely have a grown-up help you use the hot glue gun. My eyes are on! Do caterpillars have antennae? Wait, no, that's what butterflies. I don't think caterpillars have antennae. Flames, can you quiet it down? We're trying to make a YouTube video here.
No, for real though. Be quiet.
Add some in whatever color you want, and start putting some dots wherever you want on your caterpillar or button.
This is so cute.
I mean, I'm still painting. I'm just not painting the body. It looks like he has chicken pox.
Oh yeah.
He has chicken pox right now.
He's gonna have gold chicken pox, I guess.
Golden chicken pox and red chicken pox, and soon some yellow chicken pox.
Yeah, of course there's gonna be yellow.
Do not judge my favorite color. She's very shy. Dip. Dip, dip. Alright, almost done with my caterpillar. Just need to finish these red big dots on top, and time to glue on the legs.
I still have to do the wings, so I'm gonna start.
Ooh, like that. Yes, little tiny feet. No, they're not supporting him.
Oh no!
And remember to have an adult supervising you or helping you with the hot glue. I would recommend helping you, but it's your caterpillar and
Or butterfly, or horse if you can fit it on there.
or horse. I'm not even making a horse. They probably wouldn't even know how to make one.
True.
Okay, but they could get creative.
Yeah.
Because it's your caterpillar or butterfly
Or horse or cat.
Stop saying other things that we're not making.
They can make other things.
I know they can. Huh? Caterpillar leg? Oh, it's hiding. It's hiding from us. I just realized I gotta paint these also. Oh, yes, I could. I got a big leg, a small leg, a medium leg,
And a perfect leg.
and a large leg,
And a perfect leg.
and a teeny, mini, mini, mini leg. Are you almost done? Earth to Claire.
I have a butterfly. I have more pieces than you.
You can help her with one of the wings.
Yes, I shall. What colors do you need the wings to be?
Those wings are like these two are gonna be this color. Like make sure you paint all of this color even in the middle. Great. And then these bottom ones are gonna be white.
I'm using your Q-tips. So Claire's making a white wing and a pink wing. Well, I'm making the pink wing so then it doesn't take her as long to finish her butterfly. And she's making the white wings. And
I'm still going this way.
Yes, girl, yes. Are you trying It's thunderstorming outside, but not thunderstorming, it's just like lightning. Silent thunder and silent lightning. That was not silent.
This is doing scrub painted, and then this is doing arm.
Shimmy, 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 shimmy. You're adding little shoes? It looks like little shoesies.
Do I need legs for my butterfly?
No. It's got wings.
Okay, but my butterfly's falling on the stomach. I need the heart.
Do we have the wings out?
Yeah, and the eyes.
Right there on the dot.
Stealing from my cousin Claire for the blackie.
Careful because it'll squeeze through his holes.
And you don't have to use buttons for the eyes. You can use googly eyes or pom
It's
poms.
fine.
Anything round can be good
Oh,
for
that's
the
fair.
eyes.
It's fine. I want to glue the wings.
Remember, you can do whatever you want with your caterpillar as long as it's safe.
Yeah, I'm going to glue the wings first. Like the first one.
Hold up again.
Totally says subscribe.
It says sub because that's what people say. They no longer say subscribe. They say sub. Alright guys, y'all ready to see what our things look like? So I have my little friend here. You want to know what he's saying? Subscribe to Scarlet's channel. And like, please, do it for the caterpillar. The head needs some support. This grew up to be this. Yes, even though they're two totally different colors. They're totally the same. Chrysalis, poof, butterfly. But magic. This is mine. All right.
looks like
So
this.
please like and subscribe. Bye.